I like to have a common thread within my decorating, which in this home, it was a very formal home and they didn't want to use red and green. So platinum is going to be kind of my running theme throughout the home. People often ask me what is the thought process that goes into selecting the right product for a home. And I always say your home has a personality. It reflects your individual taste, what you do with your family, how family friendly it is. It's all about a theme. When we're planning the store and doing our vignettes in the store, we always work with the theme. So the ribbon, balls, and floral, and then the accessories and the other things to coordinate with that theme is how you pull it all together. Just like planning and decorating a room, you need a rug, you need furniture, you need accessories, and you layer that to give you the look that you want. And you can go a little or a lot, but if you get those basic things, then you have gotten your coordinated look together. So when I am going to work with a client, I like to visit the home because that gives me a really good idea of what they are looking for and how they, what their personality is. I like to have a common thread within my decorating, which in this home, it was a very formal home and they didn't want to use red and green. So we used the colors that were in the rug to pick out, which were a lot of these soft blues, a lot of platinum. So platinum is going to be kind of my running theme throughout the home. This was a beautiful spray that will work well because it doesn't have the strong red. This customer loves everything formal. Crystal soft pink. The pearls were a good dressy touch to use. That'll match a lot of the things that she has in the home. Of course, you can see the platinum balls. You always want to use a ball in the background. And this is a glitter one that we'll use that. So that will be the base for the tree. We'll use some antique pieces. Look, gives you kind of a little bit worn look, like everything's not brand new, like it's been collected over time. You can see how all this is going to work together, not having a total red and green theme, but it's going to give you a very holiday, elegant look. After you've selected the basics for your tree, which would be your ribbon, your balls, your floral, then you want to pick out the other elements that will tie that together in your room. This tree skirt is an elegant platinum mixed with the little touches of some silver and gold to give you some shine and some texture, which will look fabulous on her floor and under the tree, and then when she gets her presents topped on it. In her dining room, she's got a very formal, big dining room table that seats a lot of family. They have a lot of grandchildren, so things will have to be done elegantly, but also family friendly. Because her table is so long, we're going to use 2 containers and make a big candle arrangement that'll be somewhat low so that you can see and talk and visit over the arrangement. These pots can also just match the decor of your room. You can use a metallic if that fits. You could use a black, you could use a painted. A lot of these pots can be painted, so you can even do a faux finish on them, or a wood tone, or just whatever fits the decor of your home. Sometimes you don't want to have the tree in its original stand and on the floor with the tree skirt like the traditional way. You might want to lift it up to make your tree a little taller. When we want to do that, we use an urn because, as you can see, this is just a 7-foot tree. Our ceilings are probably 10 foot here, and we wanted to raise this up about 2 feet. So that made it a 9-foot tree without having a 9-foot size tree in here. Come over here and pour concrete in it with a PVC pipe that is the size of the base of your tree pole. It makes a beautiful base for a tree, kind of gives it a little bit of a topiary look. In her bedroom, we're going to actually go with kind of an ice blue, a soft pink, and so you can see that I've picked out those colors. We're going to use a whole lot of platinum mixed with that so it doesn't give you a baby blue and pink look. This gorgeous floral, that's the thing. There are so many florals that can reflect exactly what you want to get in the look that you're trying to pull off. It could be this one is pretty deep, so, but y'all haven't kind of attached it to your railing yet, so it could be a slightly deeper. It's so pretty, y'all. Artificial garland is so perfect, and fresh greens are not. So if you don't want it to look like it's artificial, then you need to make it look just slightly imperfect. And the fresh greens would be real flowy, they wouldn't be perfect. When you can add these faux greens, like this is a cedar green, which is very realistic. Twist this in and it's just, see, it's just got that kind of dangly look to it. So it just looks fabulous. This is the big swag that's gonna go over our doorway outside. We're gonna decorate this up to match our outside wreaths that are going on all the windows. And my husband is out there putting in the molly bolts. That is an anchor bolt that will hold something this heavy. And then in the off season, you just paint it the color of your mortar and then it doesn't show. This was actually 2 big teardrop swags that I laid and used zip ties to put some extra greenery in, which I'll also put that cedar greens in. And that's just layered so that you get that mixture of greenery so that it gives you a more realistic look. Okay guys, I'm about to leave and run back to the store to get this whole list of stuff. Is there anything else y'all can think of?
More ornaments for the bedroom tree?
Right. What?
Is it too much to ask for you just to bring as much as you have of these?
No. Well, no.
I think we need at least 3 more of these and 5 more of these.
In the family room, we are going to take a plaid. It's a soft plaid. It doesn't have, it does have some strong colors, but we're going to play that down by mixing a lot of the platinum with it and a lot of platinum ornaments and everything. We're going to put it on a multicolored tree. And so that'll be fun for the family, but we will still be mixing it with a lot of platinum and blue. But that's how we select things. It has to be what you want. And if you're selecting for yourself, you just want to look around of where you're going to put your tree, what the furnishings look like, what you're trying to pull off, and how you celebrate the holidays. It's all about a theme. So the ribbon, balls, and floral, and then the accessories and the other things to coordinate with that theme is how you pull it all together.